Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today, we will dig deeper on NFT or non-fungible tokens which are taking like storms lately, how they work, use cases, how to make money out of NFT, and more. Be with us till the end of this video and smash the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.
An NFT is a non-fungible token, which means it is a digital asset that cannot be replaced with another. There are many reasons why NFTs have become so popular like cryptocurrencies, but the biggest is that they are a great way to raise money. NFTs are increasingly becoming a popular way to buy and sell artwork. The market for non-fungible tokens was worth a staggering $41 billion in 2021 and is approaching the total value of the entire global fine art market. With NFTs, unlike traditional crypto tokens, each one is unique and not transferable or fungible like a Bitcoin or Ethereum. Collectibles are valuable assets just like how physical art holds value. And this is why NFTs have become collectible digital assets that hold value. The best kind of file to store in an NFT is any easily reproduced digital file, such as a video, image, etc. Essentially, you can make NFTs from almost any product that can be stored digitally, such as a video game. That means you can make NFTs that represent the same item, but you can then sell them to others and trade them in a decentralized way. The unique identity and ownership of an NFT can be verified with the help of the blockchain ledger. NFTs can be bought and sold just like any other type of artwork, and the price is largely set by supply and demand. NFTs can have only one owner at a time, and their use of technology makes it easy to verify ownership and transfer tokens. What are NFTs used for? Using blockchain technology and NFTs, artists and content creators are afforded with a unique opportunity to make their wares more valuable than ever. They can sell their work directly through NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and 𝗵𝗿𝘆𝗽𝘁𝗍𝗶. Each NFT has a unit of data that can be used to certify a digital file as unique and owned by a specific person. Besides digital artists, NFTs are used as game tokens in many NFT-based games, where trading of their in-game NFTs is being executed inside their marketplace. In brief, NFTs are used to represent the ownership of any digital file which is validated for buying, selling, or trading. How to make money with NFTs? You've probably heard that investors and creators are earning millions, if not billions of dollars that are changing their lives through NFTs. The most popular NFTs are CryptoKitties, a digital cat collecting game where people can buy, trade, breed, and sell cats. The sale of 𝗵𝗿𝘆𝘆𝗽𝗁 NFT for around $69.3 million earlier this year shook the internet and transformed the way people think about digital collectibles. Some of the many ways to make money from NFTs are: 1. Trade them on NFT-dedicated marketplaces like OpenSea and 𝗵𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗁. 2. Investing in promising new NFTs. 3. Play to earn NFT games. 4. Flipping NFTs. 5. Create or mint your own NFTs. Are NFTs a good investment? There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to NFTs. They all have different values. And their unique designs and stories are what set them apart. There's no way of knowing when the value of NFTs or cryptocurrency as a whole will make a move up or down. Digital assets, such as cryptocurrency, are generally considered a risk, but can be a wise investment if you have the time and inclination to research them. When considering investments and trading, it's important to keep the overall percentage in mind. According to a Los Angeles venture capitalist survey, around 9% of leading LA-based VCs believe that NFT is a good investment, while another equal percentage indicates that the opposite is true, that they are bad investments. Provided that the NFT has some sort of utility and can be used in the real world, I think it would be a good investment. NFTs are still relatively new, and the industry is evolving rapidly. The number of NFTs and the value of the tokens are both increasing, which means more money is being invested in the space. Are NFTs stocks? An NFT, non-fungible token, isn't a stock. NFTs are representational of things like art, games, music, and videos. However, they can be held like commodities or stock to sell at higher price points in the future. Can you trade them? Yes, you can trade them. You can trade them on centralized exchanges such as EtherDelta, Binance NFT marketplaces, or decentralized exchanges like 0x Project. It doesn't matter how much you hope your NFT will go up in value. The most important thing is to buy things you like from creators you want to support. Hey! Thank you for watching this video. If you love this content, feel free to comment, share, subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you won't miss any future content and giveaways. Crypto Wealth Code. your wealth building partner. Have a great time.